Perma-Dent Foundation has been manufactured in the United States of America for 20-25 years. Purchased by Mann Lake, took over the company when the owners were ready to retire, and we brought production here to Hackensack, Minnesota. So it all still is 100% made and waxed here in the United States. By offering Perma-Dent, it gave customers another option comparable to other manufacturers that are basically importing product from overseas. It's a more economical option compared to our industry standard right cell. Perma-Dent Foundation is used in the hobby market, people running 1, 2, 3, 10 hives. It's also used in the commercial industry. We have customers running 20,000 plus hives who are running all. Perma-Dent is offered in 2 separate colors, white, black. For us beekeepers who are aging, the dark background allows you to see the eggs and the larvae much easier than in a white or yellow. Having that foundation waxed, the bees draw it out very well, very quickly. Perma-Dent Foundation, cell size of 5.1. I personally use the Perma-Dent Foundation as it tends to retail a bit cheaper than the right cell foundation. It's thinner, it's a little more flexible, allows me to pop it into my frames extremely easily, and the bees draw it out extremely well.